Hey creators, imagine your logo flashes on screen for half a second and viewers still know it's you. Today I will show you how to reach that level of brand recall using only text prompts in getimg.ai FLUX Ultra model. No Photoshop, no design degree. Consistent visuals lift trust and click-through. Mismatched colors scream amateur. AI turns a week-long branding sprint into a coffee break task. In the few minutes, you will learn a logo plus banner workflow, hex color mastery, and a one-click background wipe. So, first step, open getimg.ai and pick FLUX Ultra. Type minimalist geometric logo for your brand name, flat icon style, FF6B00 on white, sleek tech vibe, centered, clean background. Generate a few versions. Choose the clearest silhouette, download as PNG. So, hex bits adjectives. FF6B00 is always the same orange. Bright orange isn't. Need transparency? Drop the PNG into background remover and grab a perfect logo transparent PNG. So, let's switch to banner maker and YouTube preset. Just type simple prompt. For example, cinematic channel banner for your topic. Seamless gradient from FF6B00 to FFC300. Subtle grid overlay, brand logo top left, space for headline center right. Generate, pick the version that keeps text in the safe zone, and download. And that's it. So now a few tips for you. Mirror logo colors so everything feels related. Words like logo top left, headline center act as a wireframe without design software. Refresh seasons by swapping the backdrop clothes, misty winter tones or vibrant summer sunset. Prompt power-ups for image generator. First, contrast pairing, and with two opposites, soft minimalism, bold impact, to balance clarity with drama. Mood. Add one vibe word. Noir, sun-washed, cyber neon. Shape comment. Hexagon, badge, spiral, ribbon, shield crest. Defines the silhouette. Texture to go, matte finish or metallic sheen. For tactile flavor. Focus story. Start with the subject, finish with the purpose. Logo for your brand, made for app icon. If this text-only trick saved you hours, smash like, drop your favorite X combo below and subscribe for weekly AI branding hacks. Keep creating and I will see you in the next one.